Hi there. So what I'm trying to do here is to set up a recipe which will run with the cloud configuration via on-premise agent, a PowerShell command. So let's say this is called PowerShell, and what I need to do is call PowerShell XC. Why is because we are running it through a CMD. And then we need to set execution policy bypass or do it locally on the server. Reason is that otherwise we'll get an error that remote execution of scripts is not allowed. And then we'll provide the file to run in form of this variable that is called file, which we can then expose to Workato recipe. So if we just do the connection here and go back to the recipe, what we will get is now a configurable PowerShell script that will, here we can put the file that we want to run. So, and just a very quick example, like what I'm trying to do here is just, I created a file that's called move file ps1 with this path that just wants to move file from one to another. So if we just test it out quickly here, let's say we move this file back to our test folder, right? And what will happen is it moves from test folder to the other folder. So let's see. There we go. Now it runs and our file has been moved to temp. So a couple of errors that I got that I worked around with. So the first error that I got when I tried to set up is that, this kind of syntax is not valid. And also I should not make the path in quotes because quotes are already added by Workato. The second error that I got, as you see here, is that cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on the system. And from what I understand, you need to either run a set execution policy remote signed or execution policy bypass as a command in there, and then it will work. All right, I hope this helped.